of exponents. Now in this here I am going to solve, I am going to find the square roots for exponents, square roots for the powers of powers. I think you all know the way of finding square roots for the numbers, okay, right? But now we are extending that idea for these exponents, finding square roots for power of the exponent to the power sum means exponent power line. The basic idea of square root is root of n is n power 1 by 2. We all know it. And if you have something like a square in the square root of a square is this a square to the power 1 by 2, and on simplification we have here, right? And now you just think about these problems, and I am going to solve these problems one by one. Yeah, we need to find square root of 256. Square root of 256. That in the sense our target is to find square root of 256, which is nothing but 256 to the power 1 by 2, and we know that 256 as 16 square to the power 1 by 2. And clearly from the laws of exponents we have a chance to multiply these two, 16 to the power 2 into 1 by 2, and you have your answer as 16, right? In the same way we need to solve the remainder. So in the same way 2019 square, see we have no need to calculate the value of 2019 square, we need to find out the square root of this 2019 square. So for that, yeah, the question is about finding square root of 2019 square. This square root is simply power 1 by 2, okay? So that is equals to 2019 square power 1 by 2. Again if you multiply these two, your answer is 2019. Right? And then you just think about 17 power 8. Okay, copy these two and then we discuss 17 power 8. Okay, do fast. For 17 power 8, if you wish to find square root is simply nothing but power 1 by 2. Directly I will take power 1 by 2. Square root of 17 power 8 is 17 power 8 power 1 by 2. So you just multiply these two. That is equals to 17 power 8 into 1 by 2. And which is in turn nothing but 17 power 4. So finally square root of this 17 power 8 is 17 power 4. Simply to calculate the square root, power becomes half. That's the idea. What's the idea? Power becomes half. I will tell you once again. For the first bit, square root of 256 we are going to calculate, and we know that 256 as what? X is 16 square. 256 is 16 square. Then what is the square root of 16 square? That is 16 as I mentioned. See, I mentioned you the way of solving that square root, but directly if you wish to write the square root, simply write half of the power. See here 2 is there, its half is 1. So 16 power 1 is your answer. Okay, there ends the rule. Whereas coming to the next one, 2019 square. Here again 2 is there in the power, you just write its half, so your answer is 2019 power, half of this 2 by 2, which in turn 1, so your answer is 2019, there ends the bit. And now you just think about this 17 power 8. See, we have the procedure here. Finding square root is simply nothing but applying 1 by 2 to the in the power. See, applying 1 by 2 as a power of this number is simply nothing but making 8 to its half. 17 to the power 4 is your answer. Okay? In the same way now you just think about this particular problem. What is that problem? X power 2x. If you are trying to find the square root of x power 2x, you just apply power 1 by 2 for this x power 2x. Okay? So x power 2x to the power 1 by 2. Simply multiply these two. If you multiply these two, you left with x power x, and that's your answer. Then simply think about this one, 2017 power 2 power 2016. Very simple, we need to apply power 1 by 2 to find the square root. Here it is 2017 power 2 power 2016 is the given number. To find the square root you just write power 1 by 2 here. And as we learnt in different problems, for this 2 power 2016 is the power and we have 1 by 2 here. So we need to multiply these two in turn. If you multiply these two, what will happen? Just have a look, this is equals to 2017 and here 2 power 2016 into 1 by 2. Yeah, what is this product? 2 power 2016 into 1 by 2 is simply 2 power 2015, right? So this is equals to 2017 to the power 2 power 2015 is the square root. Just observe the question here. Question is this: 2017 power 2 power 2016, and the answer is what? 2017 power 2 power 2015. Why? Just we are applying power 1 by 2 because we are trying to calculate square root. That much simple to answer these questions. First, have a look about these questions and then I am going to solve the remaining. This is the way of finding square roots for exponent to the power exponent. Okay. Now, look at the way of calculating square roots for these problems. Okay. First one is given like 5 power 4 power 3 power 2. Since we are trying to calculate the square root, first of all I am just thinking about that number, which is 5 power 4 power 3 square is how much? 9. 5 power 4 power 9. Just I am simplifying the given number. After that I will apply square root. 5 power 4 power 9, right? And this is equals to 5 to the power, that 4 can be written as 2 square. We know it, right? 2 square. 5 to the power 2 square to the power 9. And see, just think about this part. 2 power 9, which in turn is nothing but 5 power 2 power. You need to multiply these two. 2 into 9, and that is equals to 5 power 2 power 18. So finally, from this simplification we have 5 power 4 power 3 power 2 is equals to 5 power 2 power 8. That's it. But our target is to find the square root for this. Okay. So square root of 5 power 4 power 3 power 2 is, we need to apply power 1 by 2, right? You just apply power 1 by 2. That's enough. Is 5 power 4 power 3 power 2 to the power 1 by 2. And this number is simply here 5 power 2 power 18 to the power 1 by 2. And now we need to multiply this, what? This 2 power 18 into 1 by 2. 2 power 18 into 1 by 2 is simply nothing but 2 power 17. So 5 power 2 power 17 is your final answer. That is the square root of this number. Okay. See, previously we discussed some problems. For those problems, no need, directly we are calculating square root. Okay, no need to simplify it, and no need to, those problems need no simplification. Directly we found the square root, but this problem requires some simplification here, and after that simplification I found its square root as 5 power 2 power 17. Have a look. Very simple. Finding square root is simply nothing but applying power 1 by 2. Next one. 2016 to the power 2016 to the power 2016. See, 2016 is not a power of 2. Okay. So no need to simplify it. Since we need its square root, you just directly apply power 1 by 2. 2016 power 2016 power 2016 whole power 1 by 2. For these type of numbers, this is the power. This is the whole thing to the power 1 by 2. For that we need to multiply these two parts. If you multiply these two parts, your answer for the problem is 2016 to the power 2016 to the power 2016 power 2016 by 2. That's enough. No need of the other simplification. This number into 1 by 2. This number into 1 by 2 means by 2 only, right? Then ends the problem, okay? Then think about the next one. Root x to the power root x. Root x to the power root x. We need to find its square root, right? Yeah. See, this is simply nothing but, this is equals to, and its square root is simply nothing but root x power root x, and this is whole to the power 1 by 2. Again the same thing. We need to multiply this power with 1 by 2. Then what is your answer? That is equals to root x to the power root x by 2. There ends the problem. Root x power root x, its square root is root x power root x by 2. Okay. Next thing, x power 16 power x. Okay, we need to find its square root. And before going to find its square root, x power 16 power x, there is a chance of simplification because 16 is power of 2. Okay, you just try to simplify it first. How can we simplify? This is equals to x power, that 16 can be written as 2 power 4. 2 power 4 and whole to the power x. This is equals to x power 2 power 4x. We need to multiply these two here. 2 power 4 power x. So 4 into x. X power 2 power 4x. See, now for its square root, to calculate its square root, x power 2 power 4x and whole to the power 1 by 2 we need to write. Further, we need to multiply this 2 power 4x and this 1 by 2. That is equals to x power 2 power 4x divided by 2. That's your answer at the end. So for this problem, this is the square root. For root x power root x, this is the square root. See, for each and every problem, as I said, you just half the power. So here this 2016 power 2016 is the power. For square root, that number by 2 is your answer. Here root x is the power. For square root, it's by 2 is the answer. Here this is the power. For square root, it's by 2. This 16 power x is 2 power 4x. By 2 is your answer. Okay. Again, for this problem also you need to do in such a way. Right. But 169 is 13 square, right? So this is 13 square, and that is since we are searching for square root, 2 and 2 gets cancelled. I will discuss. Just have a look. Yeah, for the last problem, as they given 169 to the power something. I don't need this quantity. There is some quantity. You just write there. 16 power something. This is equals to 13 square power something. This is nothing but 13 power 2 into that something. Here that something is nothing but this whole quantity I am saying. And for its square root, its square root is simply nothing but we need to half this power. Since we are multiplying with power 1 by 2, you just write its half. So this is the power, its half is nothing but we need to eliminate it to 13 power something. So 13 power something means 13 power x square y square plus x square y z cube plus x y cube z square is your answer. Okay, that's the square root. See, finally for square root, you need to multiply the power with 1 by 2. If there is a chance of simplification, you just go with the simplification. Otherwise, write directly. For this problem, directly our answer is this number by 2. For this problem, directly our answer is root x by 2. But whereas the third one and the first one, here 4 is involved. We know it as 2 square. 16 is involved, like 2 square. 169 is involved, like 13 square. So there is a chance of simplification for these problems. You just do simplify first and then apply power 1 by 2. Okay? Then this is the way of calculating square roots for exponents.